Welcome to another TruckPay video tutorial. This is Ben Honig, TruckPay's Chief Technology Officer, and today we're going to learn how to create a company on the TruckPay iOS platform. To create a company, tap on the Create Company button. If you already belong to a company, a plus button will be on the top right of the screen where you can tap, and that will allow you to create a company as well. The first thing that you'll be asked to do is select what type of company you are: a construction company, an independent owner-operator or an independent truck driver, a subcontractor, a material supplier, or a shipping company. TruckPay supports all of these different types of companies on one unified platform, which is why TruckPay is so powerful. For the sake of this tutorial, we're going to create a construction company. This is the form for creating a company. As you can see, similarly to when we created a user account, you'll be asked to upload or take a picture. This would be of your company's logo, for instance. Next, you'll enter in your company name, what type of federal tax type your company is, for instance, a C Corp, S Corp, Partnership, Trust, or LLC. You'll be able to select if your company is minority owned or not, and if so, what type of minority, as well as inputting your minority company certification number. You'll be able to enter in a description of your company, select a generic position for what you are, enter in your company's phone number, your company's email, such as support@company.com, the address at which your company's headquarters are, your EIN if you're in the United States, as well as your US DOT number, which is optional if you're creating a construction company, but if you're an independent owner-operator, it's required, within the United States, of course. And then the expiration date for your general liability, and a picture of your general liability document. All that's left to do is tap the Create Company button, and if all of your company's information verifies with our servers, you'll have your company instantaneously created like so. And that's how you create a company on TruckPay for iOS.